Welcome to our segment, our monthly segment, dealing with the drug crisis in our community. And we have two great panelists. We have Andy Malakoff, Executive Director, CEO, North Shore Child and Family Guidance Center. And we have Jay Cooper, who is a social worker and who knows Andy very well as well. So it's like family up here. And I'm going to start with Andy to my right. And Andy, right off the bat, what would you say is the most pressing need, most important item that we're facing in the drug crisis in our community?
Well, I think that there is, as many people are aware now, an epidemic out there. It's an epidemic that involves painkillers. You've heard of Oxycontin and Vicodin, and also heroin. Now, the issue with the painkillers is access. If we think of young people in particular, young people have access to prescription medication right in their homes. Heroin, if you think about the cost for a fix of heroin, it's about $5, less than a six-pack of beer. And right now, at this point in time, if you think about the last 15 years, the number of overdoses has doubled over that period of time. There's about 44,000 people a year that die of drug overdoses, and a lot of that can be attributed to this epidemic of painkiller opiates, which is the broader term, opioids, which include the painkillers as well as heroin. So that's probably, at this point in time, the most pressing problem that we face. However, I wouldn't at all underestimate the concerns that we continue to have about alcoholism and also about the use of many other kinds of drugs. So it's a widespread problem. It's something that is growing rather than diminishing. It requires education, prevention, and treatment. And so that's where we really need to put a great deal of our attention at this point in time, to save lives and to keep as many young people as we can from having productive lives, which their lives are forestalled by over-involvement with these drugs.